So critical thinking is a physical, biological process, first and foremost, of course, because, of course, our brain does the thinking. Our brain has neural connections. Those are physical things that are happening inside our brain. Our brain is what creates pattern recognition. Pattern recognition is like the ability to be able to pick up on patterns that help us make decisions. Our brain also is what experiences the world around us and then creates memories based on those experiences that we can then draw in to use in the decisions we made of like, oh, I remember this experience I had and it taught me this. Here's a similar experience based on that, what I learned and what I remember, I'm going to do this, right? All of this comes into the brain's ability to be able to pause, to make connections, to think clearly, and then to make decisions. It's all connected, right? Okay, so obviously, because this is actually a physical process that's going on in the physical brain, we cannot think clearly if the brain is underdeveloped, if the neural connections are underdeveloped, if the brain is malnourished, if the brain is sleep deprived, if it's not recovered. Part of the things that he added, that he said he added in the course for you, between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. for most humans, and again, this is, of course, according to your own circadian rhythm based on the time zone you're in, right? That is when your brain is doing most of its physical and psychological recovery. That's when it's repairing. That's when it's like integrating the stuff you learned throughout the day. It's when it's pruning neural connections it doesn't need anymore. All of that recovery process is happening between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. Except for, it did say for teenagers, it actually switches. It is a little bit later. So for like many teens, it's actually 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. or 3 a.m.
So think about if many teens and young adults are going to sleep around 1 or 2 or 3 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
They don't get that. It's not like it'll get it later. They miss it. Period. You don't make up for it the next night, or it's gone.
And this isn't something like, oh, you should never ever stay up late, because it's fun to do that sometimes. It's about the regular consistency, the overall pattern. That's what matters most. But of course, if we have poor brain functioning biologically going on, that leads to poor thinking, that leads to poor decisions. And obviously, that's not great, because we can get unsafe outcomes. We can marry the wrong person. There's all kinds of things that can go wrong.